Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Tradabulls. So having seen the first week of the December with the bullish trend, so let's see how market has performed today. So quickly going to our application to understand the analysis. So I'm going to the Nifty 50. Let's see how Nifty 50 has performed today. So Nifty 50 pretty ended on flat note with 58 points loss. So if we see this chart, so market is around consolidating or in a sideways market. So there is no proper trend today. So let's see. If you see in our previous video, we also discussed that if a market patterns is moving around 45 minus degree and positive 45 degrees, we call it as a range bound market. Like we can understand this as a range bound market. So the exactly same thing has happened today. So the first candle closed at 24,644 in a 30 minutes candle chart. So let's see what our analysis is giving about. So I'm going to the Fibonacci analysis. So my close is at 24,644. So I'll see from my Fibonacci analysis where it is exactly located. So if you see, it is at 78%, 78.6% to 100% in mid of this in our weekly trend. So that means if at all any candle in this week closes above this 24,857, then we can expect the market to further go up. But we have finally ended up at 24,619. So there is no any momentum today. So we were ended up into a range bound. So quickly discuss which are the index movers for Nifty 50. So Nifty 50, HDFC being the major puller for the day. But majority of the stocks are into negative contribution, where Reliance Hindu Unilever ended up into the negative points. So if you see, 29 out of 50 are on negative contribution and 21 out of 50 are onto the positive contributors. So according to this, we can understand like today FMCG sector is also down. After flashing up the news that Godrej has given announcement that their volume, they're expecting flattish in their volume growth, and also their sales growth is into the single digit for expected for the Q3 FY25. So with this FMCG, also with the increase in the inflation rate, so FMCG is majority likely to end up with a weaker note for the Q3. So let's see how Bank Nifty is performing. So Bank Nifty has ended up at 53,407 at after losing 101 points, pretty flattish. Again, if we see, we have seen a huge momentum in the Bank Nifty, but again from the middle of the day, it has fallen down and ended up closing flattish. So let's see, if we see Bank Nifty 53,476, the first close of the 30 minutes, 53,476. So according to our Fibonacci analysis, we are around 78.6% to 100%. Although after banks were on rally since last week. So although we are on the bullish trend, so our expectation is like if at all any candle in this week close above 53,888, so our expectation is like market will continue the bullishness. Otherwise we have to see how it is performing. But you can understand here itself, although the market has reached closely to 53,727, but it couldn't sustain at that resistance level to break it further, but it has fallen down. So exactly at 135 degrees. From our trader view analysis, according to Fibonacci, at 100% we had this resistance level, but according to GAN, the market has taken resistance at 53,727 point and it has fallen down. So let's see how banks will move tomorrow. So let's see what all the major counters have contributed for the Bank Nifty. So for the day, HDFC being the major puller maintained the Bank Nifty not to fall further, but other banks performing negative. So let's quickly see IT Nifty as well. So IT Nifty performed good with the appreciation of 115 points. So having seen here, our IT initially in our first 30 minutes of the trading session closed at 44,796. So if we see here, 44,796 is around 78.6% to 100%. So it is still in the bullish trend. So the thing we have to see is like the moment it any candle in a day in this week closes above 45,027, then we expect further bullishness in the IT trend. So we finally ended up at 44,832. So let's see what all the counters have performed for the IT. So for IT, Wipro being the major puller, HCL Tech and Techem were on the negative side. 8 counters out of 10 are good. So let's quickly discuss the targets for Nifty 50. So according to OI change, if we see weekly Nifty, so for this week we are expecting Nifty to go around 24,700. If this resistance works well, then we may further expect it to go for 25,000, where 24,300 is acting as support. So we can also discuss resistance and support levels from expert view. So if we go to expert view, these are the best fair values have implemented recently. So how we can read the data is like currently Nifty 50 is 24,619 is ranging between these two. 24,321 is acting as immediate support. 24,991 is the next number. If Nifty closes above this number in this week, then our chances like we might be reaching 24,600 in this long term also. So that's about Nifty 50. So let's also discuss the targets for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty for the month, the resistance, utmost resistance is at 54,000 and support is around 53,100. So let's also see the Bank Nifty from expert view. So expert view is telling that this is for a week midterm. So we are currently ranging between these two numbers. So 52,267 is acting as immediate support, while 53,922 is our resistance levels. So if at all Bank Nifty is closing above 53,922 in this week, so our expectation is like it will further go all-time high, reaching to 54,000. So that's all. So that's all about the analysis of the market today. So coming to the tip of the day, MobiKwik is coming for IPO from December 11. So share price is ranging around 269 to 279 rupees, but with a lot of 53 shares with minimum amount of 14k. So have a watch on it. I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like the video, please do not forget to like our video and share your thoughts and post your queries in our comment section. Also, please do consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.